We're gonna decorate that tree. Now I'm not gonna do all these eggs. I'll just show you how you can decorate. Of course, y'all know how to decorate, but I'll just give y'all kind of like an example. Again, mine's gonna be a shabby chic type eggs, I guess you can say. So take your egg. I am going to paint it. I'm going to use this ivory. I love this ivory lace. It is my go-to off-white beigey color. It is a plaster paint. So I'm just putting this on a skewer. That may fall off of there, but we'll see. I'll try to keep it on there. I think that's, now you're not going to tell that I even painted it. Here's one that I did before we came on live, but see, I'm going to be doing something like this. It's got a cute little flower there. You can get those anywhere. And then I put a little, like a little lace ribbon around it, and I did use my amber rhinestones on that, and just a little sheer bow. This ribbon you can get at Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby or something like that. So I just added a little greenery to that. So that we're gonna hang on this tree. And then this one, we're gonna jazz this one up. I got it started, but I did put a little Totally Dazzled piece there on the top. And then we're just gonna do something down here at the bottom. And then this one is just a little lace. And I did use these two packs that came with it. So this one came with the fuchsia and the pink diamond, and then the fuchsia. So I kind of used that on here. So that's just a lace ribbon, and I just kind of added all these rhinestones. So we'll be putting a ribbon up here, or a bow. I'll make a little bow and put up there. So we're not, yeah, we'll just decorate these, but I'll show you how I did this. So I just took my, I'm just going to take some dark wax and some paper towel, offload. So I'm going to take my egg, y'all, and I'm just going to go right over that egg that I just painted. Okay, so we put our wax on there. We're just gonna kind of take some of that off. Okay, so I did wipe all that off, so it's a little bit more of a tint. It's got more of a tint to it now. Put a little bit more on here. We'll be decorating this one too. We'll be decorating this one too. Put those aside. We'll take this, and what do we want to do? This is the fun part. You can just do whatever you want. I'm thinking I might put this butterfly on there just because, I don't know. So I think I'm going to use this butterfly, and I'm going to put, since this came with the pink and fuchsia rhinestones, let's add some of those on here. Why don't we do that? And then we're going to put it on here with the ribbon. Let's see what we can do. I'm just going to put some of this on this little butterfly. I think that's coming out. So see, these rhinestones, you can do decorate that right there. I can't even see. Now I can see. I don't think so. But anyway, we have some pink rhinestones right there. I don't know. Let me go with that. Okay, so where's my egg? Let me take this, and I'm gonna use a ribbon. I'll just use a Dollar Tree ribbon, lace ribbon, because it's flat. Yeah, I just use this Dollar Tree ribbon. I'm going to use it on this tree as well. So, I'll just use this. If that works. I'm just putting that little lace around there. We are going to be putting rhinestones on that. I'm going to put this on here. And I'm going to have to use a little hot glue. Maybe with that ribbon it won't burn it. I think we'll just keep going with this. Okay, so I'm just going to add some of these on here, on this lace. It's raining hard now. I was drenched a while ago. All the way around. Well, here's our little butterfly. I do. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we have the rhinestones all the way around, and then there's your butterfly. Let's put our little ribbon on there. Now these are like plastic, but they're your little hook thing, and it comes like that. So you just stick that in that hole right there and kind of just twist it in there. It's real easy. And so there you go. And let's just put our little ribbon through that and get that going. Okay, so what am I going to do is I'm going to do a little ribbon, just a little sari silk ribbon. Okay, so this is sari silk. I buy it by the skein. I don't know what you call it, but they, oh, here it is. I think that one's, I already had one. And I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add the greenery to this, maybe. I have to cut that down. I can't get a piece that works. Oh, maybe this one. Okay. How cute. That is cute. I can get my bow going. Anyway, that's that. And I'm going to place this on this tree. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bow on this one. And we're going to hang this one up. Let's see what I want on this. No. I think we're going to go with the sari silk again. And let's find a little piece that'll fit there. Okay, we're going to go with this little bitty bow. This little bitty bow. We'll go with, there you go. Oh, I was going to show y'all, so you can get like a little bowl or something. Put your stuff in here, and I want that to stick. So if you don't buy the tree, you can always just add these little, your little eggs in a bowl. Oh, you know what? Let's do something just real quick. This one needs to be decorated. I'm just going to put this ribbon around this and I'll decorate it. Okay, so this, I'm using this. It's got like a little pearl, kind of, oh, I don't know what you call it. in there. So we're going to use that on here, and I will be blinging that out probably on either side of that. So you can put these in here. You don't have to use the little ribbons or whatever, but you can put them in a little bowl. I like them a lot. So just do you. Y'all do you. This is just for inspiration, and here's our tea. Okay, y'all. So I just take these pieces like this. This is a garland. It's a big, thick garland from Hobby Lobby. I tear off the pieces and craft with them, and I just tear them apart. And this, I'm just kind of, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just putting greenery on my tree because I want to, just because I want to. You don't have to. This is just going to be my little shabby chic tree to put on here. I'm going to put this little lace ribbon. I'm just going to put some of these on here. Okay, so we're going to just place these on here. I've got more eggs to decorate in here. Okay, so we'll be doing some more, but this is my tree. So we've got some just shabby chic stuff going on here. I will be decorating these a little bit more, and here's my other one back here. But yeah, you can do whatever. There's our little butterfly one. How cute is that? Cindy. And I will see y'all next time. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Bye, y'all.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.